What is good, y'all? Little cute video today. Finally got my first kind of like specialty Zippo lighter after wanting one for a minute. It's a 007 because first light just came out, and honestly, I'm really into the game. So this is just really pretty, and it still has the orange thing in the back. I'm not much of a collector guy, so I'm more about using what I get. So check out, this is the back of it. And like some people think that like you need to be a smoker to get into like collecting lighters and stuff. No, you can just, I mean, lighters are a tool, so um oh, it sounds amazing. I don't want to do the trick because I don't know. Oh, fuck it. I just did it. It's as clean as it's gonna look. One thing that you guys should know if you're a first time Zippo collector is when you first get it, it's not filled properly. So if I can get this, okay. Also, the first time trying to unwind the what's it called? The wick, or the this is where the right there is where the flint is. So you usually unwind this to get the flint out. You wanna, oh, dude, this is so. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, there's no way I was gonna be able to do that with my fingers. Ow, and it's stabbing me. Also be careful, these things like to spring out. Boom. Right? Get the flint out. There's the flint. There we go. You want to take everything out because it's packed in all the wrong ways. So we'll take all that cotton out. You know, it's just like 3 globs of gobbledygook. You really want to make sure that you unspool the wick here, because it's going to, so okay, so we got all the cotton out, right? And the wick was all just jumbled. Oh, sorry. The wick was just all jumbled up in there. So now we have the wick. You have the hole right here. Gonna just tighten it as much as possible at the end. This is the most annoying part of it. But once you figure this stuff out, once you have pliers, really, it's like no worries there. But at this point, it's where I want it to be. I don't want the flame to be too high, so we'll just cap it there. Right? Now, I'll get one of the cotton pieces, push it on there, all the way down, just to lock that initial wick length into place. Then I'm going to do like a snake pattern for the wick as I push down, and I get other pieces of the cotton inside. That way when it's soaking up the fluid, it travels from the bottom all the way to the top. So there's, boom, nice little snake pattern. Then we'll get that last bit to really pack in there. This way it travels up good. You don't have to constantly refill it. And fluid dynamics, even pushing it all through, this is what happens. It gets pushed up. So I'm okay with it. I don't mind. But now it is properly re-wicked. This is gonna be a really high flame, actually. Let's adjust a little bit. It's a little too far for me. A little bit too far. And yeah, it's not a one-size-fits-all kind of situation. So let's pull it a little bit. There we are. That's a little better. Let's use one of these cottons to keep it there. Fold it again. Right? Get this guy in there. All right, now we're at the final part. Boom. Lock it in with this guy. Oh yeah, we're set. Now we'll drop the flint back in its little chamber. Put this guy back on. And what you could do sometimes, if you feel like it, you could put an extra piece of flint in this little hole here. And here's the swirly thing that likes to lock it in place. Lock that. And boom, your lighter is properly re-wicked. It's a bit of a hassle, but you'll notice it's an improvement. Way more than just having it stock. So now, got that over the way. I got that out of the way. Put this sucker back on. Dude, you're ready. Obviously, you want to refill it. And also, if you don't know, it says C25. C is the third month you want to use. So January, February, March 2025 is when this was manufactured. All right, y'all. Enjoy 007 First Light. And I know it's a little late, but Zippo.